Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here in Woodbridge, Virginia. We're about to take care of these carpets. We don't know when was the last time the carpet's been cleaned, but it's very, very soiled. And I'll show you a transition area where you can see what the carpets used or could look like. So from here to there, you can see a huge difference. And let me give you more drastic. As you can see, there's just a big, big difference. So we're gonna exercise some really deep cleaning. We're gonna pre-vacuum really well, lift up all the loose soil, and then go ahead with the cleaning process. Okay? All right, good to go. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. All right, so we just finished doing the pre-vacuum, and as you can see, it looks a lot better, which is the pre-vacuum. We're using the Riccar vacuum cleaner, really high-end vacuum, but it looks considerably better. Even the client said, "Did I put something inside the vacuum? Because it looks better." So it's a testament to you get the right products to do the job. You're gonna get the right results. So listen, all we can do is just apply the lessons, apply the equipment, and hope for the best. So we're gonna do the pre-spray, and then I'll hit you guys off with the final results. Okay? All right. Thank you. Right, hi, Henry here with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're just showing you guys mid-session of the work. We're almost done here. So what we've done so far is deep vacuum, we pre-sprayed, and now we're following up with the steam cleaning. Looks pretty good. Right, so we're all done here. I believe this looks 95% better. I'm pleased with the efforts. All right. Well, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners.